Well, I know I'm a clash artist, just like Squash. Squash are not clash artist. Squash is not a clash artist, bro. I'm not asking you this. But is the nigga hit maker? You fuck. He's a look of fucking walking hit factory, that bumbo clad. He just want to hear the rhythm and but him make him stop. And the whole world gone with it. That's a hit maker, bro, but him can't clash, dog. Him can't clash. That are just a fucking truth. So that not make you less of an artist. That even make you bigger than a man who just can clash, bro. You just want to give me bumbo clad rhythm and he go around here. Me a gun for me belly and Henny and Remy and six them ready and I hit. You want a hit? I'm a dog. With the blood. The man is a fucking hitbox, bro. Let me tell you, you just want to hold him and shake him and he's a hit drop out, dog. Weird this shit. Him can't clash with save him life. You hear me I tell you? Malidan hits a hit factory them blood clot. You don't know about it clash, dog. And that don't make you less of an artist if you can't clash, my friend.
So Gage I give Malidan and Squashman credit. Viewers and subscribers we don't know say Squash is not a war artist, but we don't know say Squash is a hit maker from day one. Viewers and subs, just check Squashman catalog and you go see what me I talk about. Yeah man, Squash and Malidan have that in common because Malidan also drop a bag of hits and the G them just have a flow me rate, no joke. Yeah man, where Squash always have a different type of flow anytime him touching at the studio. And as Gage say, I know every artist is meant to be a war artist and is not every artist is meant to be a hit maker who drop hits after hits after hits. But that doesn't make you less of an artist. Big up the artists them same way. Viewers and subscribers, make we continue. So we have Walk and Talk. I talk about things about Armanii. Viewers and subs. Walk and Talk say Armanii and Valiant buck down at Zimi beach and Armanii run from Valley. Viewers and subs, check this out.
Some Valiant say, hey boy, walk around this stuff.
And him
walk around.
Him walk around.
Walk around. Walk around them, you know. Valiant say, hey boy, walk around this stuff. What? Listen to me. When you're going on the street, you tell people suck their mother. Some people will swallow it for a matter of time. So, suck mother thing is very serious.
So you're saying that,
you see?
let me understand what you're saying. So you're saying recently, Valiant would have tell him to
walk around.
How recent was that?
That was Zimi beach. You might walk the San Valiant and say, hey boy, walk around this stuff.
And him
walk around.
Him walk around.
Walk around.
And not do nothing to say.
What if you do? When the crocodile out, you have fish and the crocodile out. Fish can't go to the crocodile.
So you're saying to me that Armanii did not act as a big man. That shows that he's not afraid of anybody anymore.
No,
like what said, no girl,
no boy. Man. You know, walk around.
Yeah man, so walk here talk about things. But viewers and subs, there is no video of Valiant and Armanii coming in contact where you know say yo Valiant did what he did and Armanii, you know, after a run or nothing like that. There's no video out there. But there is a video out there where you can see Armanii and Valiant. But Armanii the one side, Valiant the one side, and it's like Valiant to talk to somebody and Armanii look over that side. But there's no video of Armanii and Valiant like in contact, you see me? There's no video like that. So me don't know where Walk and Talk I say. So right now it's alleged and we're gonna leave it right there. So you see me? Walk and Talk a bag of things. Viewers and subs, do the right and leave a subscribe and also leave a comment.
Batty boy authentic. Go suck your mother authentic. You artist. You can't try off alkaline. Suck your mother authentic. Why do you come and send Thomas some popcorn and jug the mic from you? I'm see your company and show a big up popcorn. You're batty boy. Suck your mother authentic. I two box one in your face. Suck your mother. One vendetta. Move up, little boy. Sit down. Batty boy.
Yeah man, so Jungle Boss I defend the Vendetta boss and I make Authentic know say him can't clash or him can't diss the Vendetta boss alkaline. Viewers and subs don't know so Jungle Boss rep for the Vendetta camp and him nah go see Authentic a disrespect Alka and him not say nothing about it. When I don't know how Jungle Boss get to work already, so me never expect nothing less from Jungle Boss. You see me? So viewers and subs, I'm just leaving a take in the comments. This is a small update for the day. Big up on yourself like always. Continue to subscribe and support the channel. And if you're new, remember, leave a like.